on a hunt for a dorm. Hello guys. I'm officially 100% enrolled. My quack quack. So silly and I'm such a frivolous kid. For 3 years, it serves me well. So back then, I honestly don't know what's inside. Magstay rami dire until 12:30.
Until all other passengers have deplated. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while capturing.
Hello guys, so we are currently on a hunt for a dorm that we could stay for the school year. So I'm with my mother. Yeah, so I'm wearing mask because I feel so not myself. I don't feel like it today. And we are on our second dorm for inquiries. So third one is that one. Please. Finally now here at our Airbnb after a long tiring day. Yes. Guys, so bibili ako ng ice today on a random afternoon. And apparently it's so hot yun diri Cebu, no? Going to 7-Eleven kay moray nearest diri. Yeah, I know right? I look so haggard but I will take a bath later. Now guys, I'm literally hugging the ice. Like it's my prize and my possession. Hello guys, we're going to Southwestern to enroll. Your girl is going there to enroll. Guys, I'm with my mother. Yes, this is the fit. This is the fit. Hi guys. I'm officially 100% enrolled. And I have my student ID with me. Guys, funny kaya akong picture. Lingin kayo siya. Hindi siya ma-focus. So, funny kayo siya. Lingin kayo siya. Ay, marag dili ako. Dali ras panahon ay. Just how fast
At Humantasia.
Also, our itinerary a while ago was we did go to the dormitories apartment. We tried checking it, thinking the financial wise, the space wise, the safety, the inclusion of the apartments and dormitory. And I can say that I have eyed one apartment that is so nice, right? After we arrived here in Cebu, we did go to Basilica and then go to my mommy's doctor for her appointment or her checkup. Yes. And also after that, we had lunch at McDonald's. And after that, mag-check-in na kami sa aming Airbnb. I have my quack quack. So this is so yummy. Guys. 8:30 akong pinakasayo nga class but tentative pa siya. Subject for a change kasi 9, 6 a.m. Anta, wala ko yung 6 a.m. class. I am not a morning person. Pero 8:30 is not that early. Okay pa man. Negotiable pa siya. If 6 a.m. Murag loading pa akong utok ano. Basin ang gagawin ko lang dyan is magtanga-tanga sa class. Uy. Guys, ano akong ice nga napalit ganina kay it was so hot. Like, parang nasa oven kami kanina. So, ang aking ginawa ay hinagkan ko siya. Hinagkan ba? Kanang giliyakap. Ay, dili. Niyakap ko ang ice. Napata bang teddy bear ko siya kanina. Kaya guys, di na ako mapila kabugnaw, kainit na akong mapil ganina, mura ko, naa sa free trial sa impyerno. Very efficient ilang enrollment process. Kudos to the Southwestern Marketing Office staff. They really played their part. Yeah, the service was very efficient and they are very approachable. That's all I can say. So yeah, ganun lang naman ang
What's your question?
you are so happy. Why?
I'm so happy because my beautiful Apo is now officially enrolled at Southwestern University, and that according to her, they were
Approachable.
the employees are so approachable and help them a lot. Okay, that's it.
Yes, thank you. Na para bang segment ito ng Boy Abundi? Boy Abon Girl? I know, Girl Abonda?
Fine with me, whatsoever.
What's with the formality?
It's okay. Formality is needed when you needed it.
Okay, but as for this segment, this is not a formal interview. No, it's not interview. This is not a formal segment for me because this is not my branding. Formality is not my branding because I'm so silly and I'm such a frivolous kid. So, Cherry,
Okay. I'm just so
Okay.
happy. That's
Alright, thank you guys. Thank you, Universe, for giving this kind of mommy
for making our
life
easier. Yeah, that's easier with God's help.
Nice kiyang sunset. You know, I'm a sunset girly and sunrise girly. Every time nga ang sky mo turn siya og something nga murag impeccable or kanang murag something new sa akong pananaw. I'm literally ma-amaze na rin ko. Guys, so we are going out na naman to find some food for our dinner. Namang ipalit nga ulam ganina sa grocery store is for tomorrow morning. Ragyan ni siya and look. Hala, dahil na akong delight. So, try ko ani kay sa akong mga ate. Kay gira-recommend ni nila nga drink. Okay, since I'm a Yakult girly, might as well try daw this one. Kay mura na po daw siya close sa Yakult ug lami. Pero girl, I don't agree. Mura siya tempra, if you remember, ako ibutang ang kondere. Kanang picture ka ng, as a kid, nga kanang if mahilantan ka, mo yung imnon mo, yung lami. Sorry for the delight. This is just my honest review. I hope you don't cancel me. Cancel me! Going out with my mother to find some food. Bye, me. Siya guys, ang street sa waiting so if gabi dagan kig makananan so di ka mag-ready din na laundry shop. So many walking vlog. Ay, reklamo lang mo guys. Kung di mo ka nag-walking vlog, kaya ako na yung off. Banay mo lang tao, kaya ako nang siradan. Original na B for Budot. One himi diri sa Manangs. Kaya anak si Mama, one of the best daw po ni diri. Nakarinderya. Hey, back on her days, she used to review here. So that's why siya ang guide na ko for today. So, ayan, open pa siya. Manang's Self-Service Cafe. Ano pa yung cafe? Good. Ay, sirado na guys. Unfortunately, closed na siya. So, hindi na naglain. Guys, we ended up buying the spicy liempo crispy oing.
Ano bang ganap today? Pero thank you po sa pa-welcome address nyo.
Thank you po sa pa-fireworks. Na-enjoy ko po. Guys, we're going out again. And it's 9:28 a.m. in the morning. Wow, not my usual wake-up time. Pero karon kani early, may og mata og early kay we're on a hunt for Mustayhan. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Ala, ay, oo, kanang pikot kaya kong mata. And anyways, anyhow, it's okay. Hindi naman siya nakakasira ng day ko. Day, init kayo karon so be sure to bring umbrella with you. If you go out. Hello guys. We are back. Sorry kay nahagard na kay ko. Like, mura na ko. Pero we're back from the apartment hunting. We are so thankful because ang katong student service sa Southwestern gi-guide me niya, so thank you for that. So we have this food. While we were on the way home, we found this pungko-pungko somewhere sa street. So nag-stop by me, nag-buy me, and nasilay kuan guys. It's out ni onions, cutted onions, which is my mom's favorite if yung mga condiments na tusnuanan, or in our vernacular, sausawan. Yes. Then, nagpalit mig nguyong, nagpalit mig dynamite. Ako rin i-show ninyo guys, ako saan i-prepare sa mong table. Prepare sa ako kay, yes, you know na, ako ang maasahan today because I'm the youngest here among them. So, I'll be back with you guys. So, mga niya mong food guys, ngoyong and dynamite, dayon. Pork chop, then chicken, my fave. And then vinegar with onion, and then vinegar ngano without. Hello guys, I'm currently watching the vlog. Okay, I just posted it. I just published it kanina. Now, I'm going to put some makeup on my face. Because we will go to SM later, I guess. It's tentative and yet to decide. I'm sorry for the clothes that is hung over there. Kailangan lang siya ihang. Okay, nagamit mo siya na ako ganina and I'm planning to wear it again tomorrow or for the other day. By the way guys, final episode na siya for the Senior High School Chronicle. So if you haven't watched it yet, go watch it now. Tune in. So enough with that. We'll do our makeup. So I'm planning to just go with Radiant Glow Filter, the BLK. I've been using this for months already. I will put a small amount in my face. For information guys, I'm just retouching my face. I already put some skin prep on my face before this. So now I'm just reapplying the makeup since marag nawala ni ko siya so guys, ang bobo ng ate girl niyo. I was so dumb. Like, I am really dumb. Nakalimutan kong i-on yung mic ko kanina. And I was yapping the whole time. And now that I watched the video, walay tingog. So, I'm just gonna say what I've said kanina. Uy, nice. Unta kahit akong ipag-ingon kanina kay full yapping mode ko. Anyways, excuse my hair since I wasn't able to bring my curler. Okay, we opted for hand carry since kaninga travel naman is kuan raman, chill raman, and apparently nag-share may isa ka luggage ni mama, so gaigo na namang gamit, like as an overpacker myself. Wala ko ga-expect na I could do it literally kay kamay ra gid akong dala karon na kuan nga travel gamay ra nga sinina usually daghan kay akong dalo no. Okay, you know na aura for what kay ang book. I'm so concerned with my hair. And anyways, ako na nagurong at ponytail later kay kapuyan ko gubot. Back with what I am yapping. So, wala luggage, guys. And that's explained. Anong ga-repeat tra ko sa akong mga outfit. Kaya yesterday, minabot. And then, igang kaayo. So, ako na gano'n siya actually nasuot katong nagpa-enroll me sa Southwestern. Ako na siya nasuot kapon. And then, karon nagisuot pa na ako. So, that's explained the shortage of my pang-aura fits. Pang-aura, na usually may kanang more arang-arangan na fits kay mostly ako ipang dala kay pangkatulog ra. Ako ako rin siguro na ako pagpatupak my sleeping mga shirts. Agenda is to go to the mall to find a luggage, a 7-kilo luggage. Since naguba akong luggage lagi guys. Naguba siya guys. For 3 years, it serves me well. Na-ROI na siya nako for 3 years. So, kira po eh. Actually, manan ako kuan guys, makeup. Mo lagi to guys, shadow ko ganina, naganak ko gihimo. Anya wala dahil siya ga-play. Nakakainis, right? Dry kaya akong hair, no? Dili ko siya lively, pero sige na lang. I've decided to ponytail it later, so maybe it will do. Actually, mag-ilis pa kong bottoms. Okay? Since it's like a pajama. Like what I've said earlier, ako mga pangdalara kay mga pambahay fits. Since guys, if you're not aware, ang weather dire is makahagard, init kayo. Wait, let me show you. Oh, init kina guys. Ang dira rami galakaw-lakaw kana nga street going sa school. Dira. Then kana nga building mo na ang school nga building. And dira mi gahay going there. So now narami diri nag-wait for 2 p.m. Kay 2 p.m. yung nag-decide nga mo go sa mall. Look at my fit. It's so funny, right? This is not yet my final fit. I will change later. And actually, since we were having just a hand carry, ako rang kuan guys, ako ang hack is magdala rag isa ka pants, then balik ko na siya for other day, and then the other ones na yun kay mga kuan na mga gaan na dalang din akong dalon nga mga everyday fits. Since 4 days sa Manggoro, 4, 5, 6, 5 days. Since 5 days sa midday. 5 days and 4 nights. So, marag, okay ra guro po na, no? Ang repeat ra kog outfit. Since, amo ang agenda ra gyud diri actually is kaning mangita og mastayhan and then enroll. So, bigdas ako guys kay mag-charge ko for later kay kalabatan ako cellphone. Okay guys, I will get back to you later. Hello guys, unbox with me the Kodak camera. So it is a blind box and I honestly don't know what's inside, pero I'm hoping to get the yellow color nga camera. Let's open it. Ano black? Paano kayo mga naong ngayon? Paano kayo mga naong galantora sila na ko ga-unbox. Pero anyways, napay ka ng cord. Ano si mami guys? Di ba ang ngalan kay Charmira din. Ano din si mami nga? Shudakin na siya. Okay. Alam mo, kahit ra sila sa akong pinky finger. Diba? So, it's very cute and light. Also, lightweight. You can carry this around because it comes with a keychain. Also, this is her charger. You can actually film also here. And here. So, you can carry this around. Right? It's very cute. Oh. Disk is full. Actually, nag-took na ko og photos kanina. And duha ra to ka photos, mind you guys. Duha ra to siya ka photos. And then, disk is full na dayon. Kay need siya SD card or kanang murag connector sa phone. Kay I saw a TikTok video nga pwede ra phone to C man good. So, type C iyahang pan sa kanan. And then, you will insert it to your iPhone na type C pod. I will try it later actually. Okay. Para mo gana ba siya ka makita din siya sa files. If i may insert, I saw it in TikTok, pero I am yet to try it, so yeah. Anyways, mura to akong unboxing videos sa Kodak Charmira. Look at this. Na sila 7 styles in total. So guys, Diba, I've mentioned kanina I don't have luggage with me. I've just shared my stuff with my mom's luggage. And finally, I look so weird. Finally, na may luggage, guys. Nakapalit na yun siya finally. And twin na sad mi ni mama, guys, because she like twinning with me. Charis. Gamit ni na ako siya sa Sunny's Plus. Yes, I'm not impractical or I'm not whimsical about this. Guys, kit kay ang cake. It's blueberry cheesecake. And then akong kanon. Kaya natulog na ang birthday. Ay, hala, tindog yung birthday girl. Man akong natulog. So, kung magkauna ni guys, kit kayo gali. Diba? So, kung na kanon sa picture, kada ko siya. Expectation was reality. You know, I really love cheesecake. Blueberry cheesecake. So, yes, I will continue eating this one and sleep. So, already 12. Hello guys, we are at the Yaki Nikolai. Try mi sa pistachio crepes nila din. Ma-found na ninyo guys. Inig sa North Wing mo aging entrance nila. Right after sa entrance na yun. Pinipilahan talaga siya guys. So, amo sa ningin test. Iplami ba yun siya. Sila, umuwi na ang mga lakwatserang babae na hindi na mapirmi sa bahay. Tserang babae. Hindi na mapirmi sa bahay. Palagi na lang naglalakwat siya. Ayan siya oh. Ayan siya ang lakwatserang babae. Hindi na mapirmi sa bahay. Palagi na lang naglalakwat sa. Guys, we will have some night dip at the pool. Paon ang for chicken. Actually, dali ko kaya na ang rider sa silo. Pero muna ako. I finally got the 24 chicken noodle. Excuse the sounds. Nag-iit background sounds a little bit. I've got the 24 chicken! You know that I love 24 chicken! Me too, Mama! I've got the chicken with me. And this is the Jack Daniels. So, yeah. And the flavor is Jack Daniels. It's a boneless chicken. If you don't know what 24 chicken is, it's a boneless chicken. Yes. And it's very yummy. Okay, guys, let's eat. Ibutang mo sa rice. Take a bite. Get a rice. Mama. Guys, we are in El Corso and I'm at the second floor and apparently there's no people here. Nag-check lang ako if open ba yung unlimited samgyeopsal or shabu-shabu because si Mami nag-crave siya ng shabu-shabu. The shoes because it's buy one take one. So ayun na nga guys. So now our next agenda is to find food. Sige. Or have a snack. Depends. at New Star. Apparently, we were finding kanina a shabu-shabu. We are currently waiting for our. We opted for the half spicy and half regular set B. There is a lobster. We open up. Ooh, for you and for you. Now we eat. Hey guys. Now we are going Is your hot shabu-shabu craving satisfied? Lobo na kung tiyan. Unfortunately, my tiyan is lobo-lobo pero good lobo kay because of the shabu-shabu. So now we are going home. Yes. To our Airbnb. We are going home. We are going home. And guys, Faustin and Shira are coming over at actually we met earlier morning kay nagsettle me sa kuan sa boarding house namo. And finally, humana na siya, guys. So yes, stay tuned for the updates. And the college diaries will start. Yeah, are you excited? Because I am excited. So we are passing by the South Road properties. Lang fun park, guys. And then the SMC side. Parabang. Atong-atoan silang Shira sa silong. Because we'll be having a sleepover Cebu version. Because we have one in Azamis. But fortunately, mag-sleepover me here sa condo. Because we will be going home tomorrow afternoon. So now is the time that we can have a sleepover and the night swim. So yes. I'm here. So guys, natuloy amo ang kuan sleepover sa Cebu. Maligo na mi guys. Hello guys. So we are planning to have a night swim. Actually, dili na siya kuan. Kaya maligo na gid meron. Pero wala may lifeguard good. So, Shira is here with us. Hi guys. Hey guys. Video na. Insert sa OHABs. Actually, video na. Ang model. OG model. Successy pa na siya, nabot ng Cebu. OG model, successy na mo dire.
Nanad dami guys since
Nanagyan niya siya yung selfie.
since grade 9. Taga-suok, pictura na niya. Subuan ko kilalay.
Ano siya yung power? Tambay na siya. Naitaw. 12 minutes na tama. This is our roof deck, guys, and we're bringing with us the pillow. Ano siya yung pillow gida na? Para lang yun sa aesthetic pics. Actually, no, guys, kamera ang tao sa roof deck. Yes. Magstay rami dire until 12 kay mag-close sila og 12. So, yes. Hello guys, we will cook egg.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your...
We are finally here in Ozamis. And okay.
Summer rain on the window,